So, hi everyone. We have with us Dr. Rasheed. He just cleared his AMC 1 exam and got the results out today. So, many congratulations, Doctor.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, Doctor, a lot of students right now are in this dilemma of wanting to move to Australia, whether they should start with this journey. How tough is AMC? So, what are your thoughts? What would you say to anybody who's very new to this?
Uh, yes, this was my second attempt actually. I have joined this platform like last year on Feb, I guess, and I have I was on and off. Like the last attempt, like I says, I was tried, but it was not like I have partially studied and I've gone through with the recalls and all and give it a shot. With the second time attempt, I have gone through all the academically, like all their lectures. I have gone through their all recalls and stuff, and I have done more recalls also, especially on exam week recalls, which I guess that was my turning point. I have uh, done revisions like for 2 to 3 times from this with the same platform itself. Yeah, that's how it is.
Okay. Yeah, I think revising the same kind of notes that you are actually built is
Yeah.
very important. So, like, did you make your own notes while studying? Because the resources are very vast. So,
Yes,
did you
exactly.
make your own notes?
Yeah, I have made my own notes. Yeah, I have done.
Okay. And what kind of resources did you refer to apart from, the blue book, red book? Did you refer any of the guidelines, the
Uh,
RSCGP ones?
no, actually, like I have read for ethics, I have read like one book is there like Kaplan's like 100 questions, something like that. I'm not sure its name. You book Kaplan's only it's it. I have done that book. I have read almost 100 questions from there, and uh, and academically notes. Their notes only I have done. Nothing else I have done. Yeah. Only
Okay.
this, I have a second on only to this only, like only these three, and I have done as many as questions. That's what I did.
Okay. So, like with respect to questions, did they help you in time management? Because we have these mocks and time self-assessment exams. So, time management is always an issue with students. Sometimes they finish
Mm.
very close, maybe like half a minute before the exam time is over. So, what was your strategy for building this time management skill?
Yeah, for that, for the past attempt also, like I have completed my exams like almost 60 minutes before, like 1 hour before I have done with my exam, and for this exam also I have done 30 minutes before I have done the exam. For this time, I have make a strategy like to give like 50, 50, 50. Like in a first hour I have to do with 50 question, another hour with 50, then next 1.5 hours I have to done with 50 questions. This was I done, like this was my strategy I have done in this exam. Even though like for me I have got a plenty of time for this exam. Yeah, I have read the questions. Like there will be some questions which will be controversial to me. Like I have read that questions like 2 or 3 times. So yeah, even though I have got a plenty of time, yeah, for me it's like that. Yeah.
Okay. So, Doctor, like three must do's for anybody who's starting the process today. What would you say to anybody like on day one of the preparation? Three must
Mm.
things which are very important, for clearing the AMC exam as per you.
I will recommend highly to give the exams on uh, the last day of the week. Like
Okay.
if like yeah, I have guessed like there are 7 days 7 days, right? I'm sure 5 days or 7 days. Like I have to give like the last day, which will get more recalls of that week, which will be a great, we'll get same questions as such, almost a 50%. For me, like 60 to 70% of the questions were same as that exam week recalls. That I highly recommend on that. And revision. Second thing is revision, and the third thing is consistency. Like you have to give you have to study almost an average of 10 to 8 hours every day. That's another thing. Yeah.
So thank you very much, Dr. Rashid, for sharing your insight, and we wish you all the very best in your future journey.
Yeah. Thank you.